Excellence in education is based on a strong foundation of positive school culture. It encourages growth, builds a sense of community, and gives people the tools they need to realize their greatest potential. In this speech, I will lay out the vital function that educators play in creating and maintaining a positive school culture. It is our duty as aspiring teachers to create the kinds of learning environment where our pupils flourish. Teachers can create the ability to foster a learning environment that values respect, cooperation, and a passion for learning by putting these strategies into daily life. A strong sense of community and belonging is the foundation of a successful school environment. We are responsible for the development of this significant relationship as educators. Understanding and appreciating each student's different personalities, experience, and backgrounds is the first step in doing this. We build the foundation for a culture where each person feels recognized, valued, and respected by fostering an inclusive and diverse classroom environment. Making deep connection is one of the best strategies for promoting connection. Building real connections with our students takes time, but it also fosters respect and trust between us. We can foster a classroom community where students feel comfortable expressing themselves and taking chances in their education by sending out personalized greetings, engaging in active listening, or showing genuine interest in their lives. In addition, developing a growth mindset is also necessary to promote an environment that values ongoing development. We teach our students that their abilities are not fixed but can be developed through perseverance and commitment by emphasizing effort over outcome and considering mistakes as teaching opportunities. By doing this, we foster a culture that values development, resiliency, and an enthusiasm for lifelong learning. Lastly, communication and shared responsibility are also essential components of a healthy school culture. In addition to our students as educators, we also have the distinct responsibility of serving as role models for cooperation with our colleagues and the larger school community. Promoting a positive school climate is not only an important obligation but also a goal that can be accomplished by educators. Building a collaborative learning community, promoting a sense of connection, and supporting positive behavior and thought patterns can help us give our school a sense of purpose, pride, and possibility. Let us keep in mind that as we journey together, the true test of our success is not just what we achieve in the classroom, but also the lives we impact and the legacy we leave behind. Together, let's use our influence to effect positive change and encourage the next generation of students to grow into strong, compassionate, and capable global citizens. Building school cultures that fosters growth and well-being is something we as educators can do. Define school culture by thinking of an adjective that starts with each letter of the term. So the first letter is letter S, supportive. A learning culture where students feel appreciated, respected, and inspired to realize their full potential. Letter C is collaborative. A culture in which educators, parents, and learners collaborate to establish a healthy and effective learning environment. Letter H, high expectations. A culture that holds both staff and learners to high standard, fostering a demanding and aspirational work environment. Letter O, openness. A culture that values diversity and promotes open communication and fosters sharing, of viewpoints and ideas. The letter O, organized. A culture that set practices and processes effectiveness and proper order. Letter L, learning-oriented. A culture where the main emphasis is on the education of learners, providing chances to experience, development, and improvement. And letter C for culture is care. A mentality that prioritizes both learners and staff welfare, fostering a secure and supportive learning environment. Letter U, unified. A culture in which people collaborate to accomplish shared objectives and share a common vision and purpose. Letter L, loyalty. A culture that builds trust and loyalty among learners, faculty, and staff that foster a strong sense of commitment and dedication to the school mission and vision. Letter T is trustworthy. A culture that establishing honesty and integrity where individuals can rely on each other and establishes sense of belongingness and interactions. Letter U is understanding. A culture that shows empathy and compassion towards each other and promoting acceptance within the school community. And letter R, respectful. A culture that values and treats people with kindness and dignity that creates a respectful and welcoming atmosphere. And lastly is letter E, engaging. A culture that ignites the interest of learners, hold their attention, and makes learning more meaningful and fulfilling to the learners. So this is the logo of Philippine Nazarene College, or PNC, formerly known as Luzon Nazarene Bible College, or LNBC. It is an undergraduate level institution located at La Trinidad, Benguet in the Philippines. It is operating as Nazarene Bible College from 1952 to 1969. PNC is a theological college in the Wesleyan theological tradition and affiliated with the Church of the Nazarene through its division of World Mission. So the Philippine Nazarene College logo includes the symbol of dove, flame, book, and cross. So the cross here represents the denomination's mission to make Christ-like disciples, and the dove and the flame represents the denomination's vision of the Spirit working in and through us. So the open book here represents the denomination's values, Christian, holiness, and mission-oriented. And the meaning of three Greek words here is Euangelion, or bringing gospel or good news. Keruso, to herald especially the divine truth or to preach or proclaim. And lastly is the didasko. It means to teach, to hold discourse with other. So here is the PNC logo. Nice.